So you can watch videos of cats, or you can make videos of cats. That's the world we're going into in 2024. You're either going to be a consumer, or you're going to be a producer. That is it. Meritocracy is going to take back over. So if you are a producer of those videos, there are a lot of people who are going to want to see them, because everyone loves being distracted nowadays. So few people like producing. We're going to go into the world where the producers end up on top. Hard truth, but it is what it is. If you want to know more, join the Military Millionaires or ask me a question on Cody's Cash Flow. I'll be free to answer it. All right, guys. See you in the next one.